Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Quickswap. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that Quickswap broke out a quite long down channel on the daily time frame chart, and after that, the price line formed another falling wedge pattern on the smaller time frame on a 4-hour time frame chart, and it was also completing the right shoulder of an inverse head and shoulder pattern on the daily time frame chart as well. And this was my last video. And now if you take a look at the live chart, and first of all, let me show you the 4-hour time frame chart. This is the 4-hour time frame chart, and then this was the falling wedge pattern that I was showing you, and you can see that finally we have broken out the resistance and the target for this breakout from this wedge. I was telling you here at the top of the wedge at 4.6 cents, and you can see that the price line has rallied beyond that target. And now if we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then it has also broken out the neckline of an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. This was the left shoulder and the head and the right shoulder of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, and this was the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern we had here. And now you can see that we have also broken out this neckline, and now this previous neckline can work as a support for the price line, and at the same time we have also broken out this quite long-term resistance of 4.35 cents as well. And in today's video we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you my most recent trade signal for Quickswap that I shared almost 4 days ago with my members. And so far, this move has produced almost 44% very massive pump. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signal works, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Quickswap that I shared 4 days ago with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal cipher pattern, not a cipher, a Gardner move that Quickswap formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart, and this was a complete trade setup. The buying's on and the sell target's on and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line nicely moved up and reached the sell target on here, and so far it has pumped almost 44%. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of Quickswap, and this is the daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several days since after 3rd of March 2024, the price line was moving inside this channel, and here on 22nd of August 2024, we broke out the resistance, and on a smaller time frame, on a 4-hour time frame chart, the price line formed a falling wedge pattern when it was completing the right shoulder of the bigger inverse head and shoulder pattern. At the same time, it was also forming this falling wedge pattern as well, and this was a bullish wedge pattern. Therefore, I was telling you that there are more chances for the breakout, and you can see that after getting squeezed inside this falling wedge pattern, finally the price then broke out the resistance, and the target was here at the top of the wedge, approximately at 4.6 cents, and you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target, but got rejected by this long-term resistance that we have here at approximately at 5 cents. We have this resistance, and after that, the price then slightly moved below this neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that we have also broken out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, but it covered back very soon, and still it is moving above the neckline. And now this neckline and this resistance of 4.35 cents that we had here, both can work as a very strong support for the price line. And you can see that this 4.35 cents has been previously working as a resistance here, and resistance here, and for several days it has been working as support here and support here as well, and therefore again it can work as a strong support after this breakout. Now if we take a look at the targets, then we have already achieved the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, and the target for this breakout from this inverse head and shoulder pattern can be here. That will be approximately at 7.2 cents, and if the price and reaches there, then we can also break out another very significant resistance of 6.35 cents as well. That was previously working as a resistance here for several days, and now it can again work as a strong resistance. And the final target for the breakout from this down channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately at 12.5 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.